Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a pullback, the end of an ABC correction on the US dollar index 4 hour time frame. I'm kind of hoping that this is a nice impulsive wave one. This is three waves up for a wave two, and that this is just going to keep on stretching out for a wave three. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I'm a very bearish on the dollar index. I still think that this is going to end up probably looking something like this over the next several months, going down to about the 100% Fibonacci extension on the weekly to make a wave C. So if that's true, that means on these shorter time frames, hopefully this right here is going to stretch out into a wave three and just keep on going down. Now, if the US dollar index is in a wave three, then we would hope that all the US dollar pairs themselves are also going to end up stretching out into a wave one, wave two, and wave three. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.